Today we're going to learn how to make an easy origami crown, a crown hat. For this, we just need to use a square sheet of paper. And if you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'm going to show you how to make one. You just take and fold this up like this. And then you take it and you cut off along the line you made. And then you'll have a sheet of square paper. And if you're a child doing this, get an adult to help you. Scissors are sharp and dangerous. So first, you're going to need to take the square sheet of paper and fold it over corner to corner. And take and unfold it and fold it the other way corner to corner. And unfold that and fold the bottom point to the middle. And do that for all three sides, other sides. Fold it to the middle. Right up to the middle. To the middle. There we go. Now you should have something like this. We're going to flip the paper over to the other side now. We're going to fold the bottom edge to the center, and we're going to let this flap down here hang out. Don't fold it. Just like that. There. Careful. When you do your folding, you should hold down at the corner and start at the edge here. Because if not, you got this little bit and it likes to fold up. It just did that to me. Now we're going to do the same with the top. Flip it out, flip out the bottom flap, and fold it up to the center. There we go. Now unfold the bottom flap up to the top, just like that. Then you're going to fold the bottom and left and right corners up to that center line, nice and even, diagonally. So this one up to that line, same with this side. Just like that. Now bring both flaps down. Now do the same with these corners. Fold them to the center line. Now, you got it like this. So you're going to take this and unfold just one flap back to the top. So now you got both flaps like that. Next, we're going to open the box by pulling the top and bottom sections like a mouth opening. So we're going to pull them to open it. Careful, because mine just tried to slide apart. Now you can make the corners square or leave them rounded or do whatever you want, but here's your completed crown. I'm going to square it off and straighten out my edges. Now this could also be used as a lid box, a box lid, if you wanted to. So I'm just going to square off all my edges. Now, got a square crown, or we got a lid for a box. Or, alternately, you could fold these over and instead of a crown or a lid, fold these right inside, because if you open them up, there's a little opening there, so you can fold that right inside. Do that for all four sides, and you'll have a sturdier box. Or a better lid. If you don't want it to be so decorative and you want it to be more... There you go. There's a lid for the box. Or there's another box. It's up to you. The sky is the limit. So we have all kinds of boxes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.